Hello friends, so from our previous video we are continuing. We have joined two datasets, survey response and metadata with join, and now we will go to the analysis. We will open sheet 1. Loads of calculation will be there in this, so be prepared, note down and do it properly. So what we will do, we will go to analysis on the basis of rating. What we will do, simply drag and drop rating here. Then we can see this is the sum of ratings. What we will do, we will change this to the discrete. Now we will go, what we will do, we will change this to the dimension basis. 1 2 3 4 5. This is the dimension in questions. Now again we will change this to the discrete. So we can understand that rating on some questions, there was rating was 1 to 5, 1 2 3 4 5. There were the 5 ratings. What does 1 stand for, 2 stands for? In order to make it more user friendly, what we will do, you will give some categorical dimension. So for this we will create a new calculated field, rating description, for these ratings. We will go to here, we will create calculated field. What does 1 stand for? What does 2 stand for? We will describe here. Rating description. So, how we will choose the rating description? We will do this if rating is equal to 1, then it should be denoted as very bad. Else if rating is equal to 2, then it should be bad. Else if rating is equal to 3, there should be no gap. Rating is equal to 3, then it should be neutral. Else if rating is equal to 4, then it should be satisfied. Rating was up to 5, then what we will do, else very satisfied. end. So there was 5 ratings, 1 to 5 in the table we were using, and rating 1 very bad, rating 2 bad, 3 neutral, 4 satisfied, and 5 is very satisfied. So we can understand this how we have describe our rating. Then what we will do, we will go to apply and okay. So here is a new field, rating description is created. So what we will do, we will simply drag back this rating here, and we will simply drag this rating description to here. So we can understand there are 5 ratings: satisfied, bad, neutral, very bad, and very satisfied. What we will do now, we will show this on the basis of field. Short on the basis of field, and field name should be rating, aggregation should be minimum. So now this is applied. Now what we will do, we will bring count of tables here. Where is the count of tables? In few there will be in few version there will be survey response, and in few version number of records, depending upon the Tableau version you are using. We will simply drag and drop here. We are getting count of each survey here. How much is this? Is 678 rating description. Count of survey very bad is 678. 658 is for neutral. So we have simply drag and drop survey response here. What we will do, we will go to the survey response and convert this to the discrete. Now we will see this is the discrete value. So you can see these were the responses given by the people for different ratings. Now we will try to score up the data that, if the rating is less than 3, if the rating is this, then positive rating. If rating is 3, then it's not it's a neutral, no positive, not negative. More than 3, it's a good rating. So we will divide it into two parts. So half of the consider, we can consider a positive rating, and half we can consider it to the negative rating. So for that we have to create a calculated field, negative score. What we will do, we will go to here, create calculated field for score. Negative score. If rating is less than 3, then it should be 1. Else if rating is equal to 3, then it should be 0.5, else 0. 0, we are ending the statement. So if rating is less than 3, it should be 1 count. Otherwise, if it's 3, it should be 0.5. Otherwise, it should be end. Then we will go to the apply. We will go to the OK. Then what we will do, a new field is negative score is created, we will simply drag and drop this negative score to here. We will see there is a some negative score here which is showing different kind of description. For neutral it is 329, very bad it is 678, bad it is 696, and satisfied, very satisfied it is 0. What we will do, we will simply click here and drag and drop rating description here. What we will do, we will go here and we will convert this rating to the we can convert to it to the discrete value. This is what we have done for calculating negative score. So what we'll do, we will go for the cumulative total now. For that we are going to take help of table calculation. First, so for this what we will do, we will go to the create calculated field and we will be using, we will create a new calculated field total negative score by the function total, and this is total is used by the table calculation. What we will do, we will go to the create calculated field and what we will do, we will use here total negative score and we are using function total here. Total is a function used for table calculation and will show you once I will create the formula. Total of sum. Sum of what? Negative expression. Negative score. Then go to the default table calculation. Compute using rating and do OK. Then apply and OK. Simply go and drag and drop total negative score here. Then we can simply drag and drop it here, and what we can do by simply clicking here, we can convert this to the discrete value. So we can see this is all about creating tables, creating positive negative scores of the score of the data set, how bad, how neutral, and how much satisfied were the count of the people, count of the survey. So we can understand in total survey that 678 were the very bad and bad was 696, and satisfied was 999 and 969. So friends, thank you so much. If we simply put questions here, if we if we simply put questions here, then we can easily see for which question how much count was very bad, bad, neutral, satisfied. Similarly, what was the negative score? This is all about the data I just want to show you using Tableau. This is the all about analysis we have done till now for different questions. What was the negative? What was the total negative for room layout, for room design, room service, for timeline staff, for value for money? So friends, I hope you understood how to analyze the data for two data set. First we will combine them, then we will analyze on the basis of rating description, survey response, and we can add more fields. We simply at the end simply drag and drop question here. So by this, count for neutral, satisfied, very satisfied customer is here. For room design, for room layout, bad, very bad, neutral is here. Counting total negative, total count of survey responses here. So this is all about we have done for different kind of questions, for different kind of analysis. We can simply go here. For amenities, it's very bad for 14, and satisfied customers were 190. Similarly, for price, very bad is this and bad is this. 52 was neutral out of 130, and 121 were satisfied, and total negative was 130. So I hope you understood the video how to create Likert chart, and we will continue from this table in the coming video. I hope you understood and you enjoyed the video. Thank you friends. Thank you so much.